In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in HubSpot. Let's get started right from the beginning. First, log into your HubSpot account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, shift your attention to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find a series of icons that give you access to different parts of HubSpot. Look for the CRM icon in that left panel. When you see it, hover your mouse over it. This will open up a small menu of related options. From that menu, click on Message Templates. This is the area where HubSpot stores all the reusable email templates you can use when communicating with your contacts. After you've opened the Message Templates section, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You should see a button labeled New Template. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you do, HubSpot will give you two choices for how you want to create your template. You can start from scratch, or you can build one from Template Library. For this walkthrough, we're going to choose from Template Library because it's a quick way to get a professional layout without having to create everything yourself. When you select that option, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. Inside this pop-up, you'll see a list of available templates on the left-hand side and a preview pane on the right. The list on the left helps you browse through different template styles and use cases, while the preview on the right lets you see what each email will look like before you decide. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find a template that fits your needs. For example, you might choose something like a final reach out template if you're following up with a lead for the last time. As you click on a template name in the list, the preview on the right will update so you can review the tone, structure, and layout. Once you have found the template you want to use, look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up window and click Save My Selection. HubSpot will now add that template to your main template list, making it available for future emails. And that's it. You've successfully created an email template in HubSpot using the template library. And it's now ready to use whenever you want to send a consistent, polished email in just a few clicks.